Hi everybody, we're here at the Fashionable Face Masks studio in my living room. Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys a few things about the masks. For anybody who's purchased one of our masks, thank you for participating in our food bank drive. And anybody else who has masks, this can also be helpful. So first of all, about the masks that I am selling and making. When you hold the mask, there's kind of like a point. That is the part that goes on your nose. I've seen some of you wear them this way and you think it's like a little seat for your chin, which it can be, but the point of the nose is because if you feel it, there's actually a wire in it made from a fantastic twisty tie. Okay, it's bent and it's sewn in between the two layers of fabric and it's there. It's not the strongest wire, it's what we've got, and it works quite well if you just bend it onto your nose so it molds to your face, okay? And here is how the face mask fits. This is actually fitting just right, and I'm using on this one was made with the ponytail hair loops. Now I've heard from some people that this bothers their ears. So I'm going to show you a few solutions that you can do to help it from bothering your ears, or maybe it just slips off your ears, doesn't fit, whatever the reason is. Okay. Take a shoelace, which you might have lying around from an old pair of shoes or a new pair of shoelaces that you have in your box of goodies. So you can take it, and you might need somebody to help you with this. Okay. And I'm going to loop it through like this. I'm going to put it on almost around my head and figure out a way to tie it. Again, you might need help. Okay? And you just tie it just like so. So now it's not sitting on your ears, and it's still doing the job very well of a mask. Okay. Next option. It'll also make it a little smaller in size. Some of you may think that the mask is a little too big, and that's a way to make it smaller. One more thing. If these are bothering you, you want to get rid of them. No problem, cut them off. We got lots of them, and from the dollar store, it was the only elastic we were able to find. I've since gotten other elastic. Okay, so next option, take your shoelace. Where you cut that off, this is called the casing. Push it through the casing. You might need a little help with a safety pin for this. Put it coming up one side, down the other side, and I'll show you why. Now you can try it either way. I found that this is the best way to make it fit. Okay. So now you have this at the top. Put it on, put it around, and once again, you may have to adjust it slightly. Okay, and same idea, you tie it behind your head. Okay, so that works well. One last message for all my fans. Okay, in here is a pocket. That is where, if you want, you can put a filter. You can double up paper towels and put them in. Whatever you deem necessary for a filter. Take out the filter at night. Wash this with warm water. Hang it dry. Light temperature in the dryer if you want. And go out. Be safe. Thank you guys.